This is what it's looking like. Not looking too bad. We can stand some water. Okay, we all good. We good. Swift charge good over there. Hi everybody, welcome back to Healthy Living. And I'm Wendy. We just got back from out of town again. Yeah, let's go look at some stuff together. You know, we already know, the grass and the weeds have taken over again. I was telling baby, oh my goodness. I don't know if it's been raining or not, but we're going to take a peek and see. Oh my goodness, what we got going on. Y'all, and I don't have my gloves on. Ooh wee, look at that in there. Okay, but I don't see anything ready. Okay, I don't see anything, but we got some stuff in there. And then, see y'all, we doing okay so far. I do want to take some of these plants here and, what's up with this? Okay, somebody been eating. Baby, look down in there.
Oh yeah, a whole lot of little bitty guys in there running around.
Yeah.
Look at this is sprouting and growing.
Okay. All right, y'all. We definitely got to harvest this corn and put some more out and some more beans. We did do some succession planting with the beans.
We got a lot of picking to do.
Yeah. It's time. And yeah, look at the okra. My good, look at this. Look at the size of that okra. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at the size of the okra. And the corn. Yeah. Look at the corn, y'all. Okay, so maybe we should just
change to come and get.
I think we're going to change clothes and then come back here and we're going to harvest the corn. And then we're going to run over here right quick and see what it's looking like with the tomatoes. And because, you know, them bugs that ate them so bad. And then we're going to pull everything out of here, get it cleaned up and go from there. So let's go look at some more stuff right quick. So we're going to take a look at the watermelon here. Yeah, that's the watermelon that's growing out of the raised elevated bed. The peppers are doing good. The other peppers, bell peppers, the tree, so far everybody's okay. We have to keep moving this over. So far, y'all, I don't see any watermelon, but it's so nice when we see a surprise watermelon, right? Oh, look at y'all. Look at the bell pepper. Remember? That is growing from out of the ground. No need to touch it. These are growing. They're growing. We got stuff growing. Need to clean. Oh my, look what we got here to harvest. Oh, this. I always want to eat something. Isn't that beautiful? There we go. Tomatoes, peppers, shishito peppers. Dang, all these are shishito peppers, y'all. Is that a chocolate pepper? Oh, yeah. Come on, it's going to have to cool off. These are sweet. I would love to have them. We're going to really baby them. Asparagus, y'all look at it. The asparagus are back clowning again. The roselle that we transplanted is looking good. That we got off the patio. The flowers are looking good again. Gonna have to deadhead it some more. That's how you deadhead it. Open it up and drop it off. Can't do it with one hand. Okay. No tomatoes here. These plants here done had it. I'm just have to pull them. It's been so hot. And I don't see no tomatoes. No flowers, no nothing. Cucumbers taking over. The tomato plant. My goodness, y'all. What's going on here? No, that's not the correct way to do that. Look like the insects been busy again. I don't see no cucumbers. But anyway, y'all, this is what it's looking like. Oh, we got tomatoes. Oh, what's going on here? That was a cucumber trying to get started, and it's yellow. We have some tomatoes growing, Roma tomatoes. Look at this one. Poor thing. This did take real good. That's Jamaican sorrow here. Okay, they did good. Ooh, wait, ooh, look at, oh, don't step on these, y'all. Look what we got. Oh, man. I was so busy eating them every day, I never did get the experience to see what it's like. These falling. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, look at that. That's how it's supposed to look. And there's some in here. Okay, honey, I know you ready.
It's not good enough putting your hand up whenever you can't see.
Yeah, I can't, yeah. That's another one. Oh, wow, you talking about a real snack. I know they've been waiting for me to come home. Okay, y'all, I'm going to get them later. Ooh, there's another one right here. Okay. Honey's getting them. So, ooh, some more. Look, y'all. We got plenty. Baby's hand's bigger than mine. Boy, them things are delicious. Man. Yes, honey, they can reseed themselves anytime. Okay. That's a welcome home snack. And then make sure something ate the tomatillo. Y'all look at that.
Wore down.
That ain't nothing but a whole bunch of seeds to get started again. Can the ponies eat that?
I don't know. I wouldn't chance it.
Okay, we won't mess with his ponies. Do the ponies like that. Okay, y'all. I don't see any cucumbers. Oh, I see one here. He all curled up. All right. Okay, y'all. We're going to go head into the house, and then we're going to come back and harvest the corn and clean that one bed up. And need to watch where I'm walking. Stay tuned. Yeah, I seen the ground cherries and just completely flipped out, got excited, because I have never seen that many ground cherries at one time, and didn't even pay no attention to the watermelon or the tomato area. So let's go look. Well, you know what I say, when you can't see the water hose, it's time to cut the grass. Some tomatoes down here. It's trying. Boy, them worms just did them in, and my tomato, and my pepper plants. This one here. This is a roselle plant. Okay, I'm gonna have to stake it. It's not broke, y'all. And it's not time for it to put out anything yet. Can't have nothing. You see that hole? Can't have nothing. They want to eat everything, even a pepper. My goodness. Let's come over here. I have to say that this is my first time having my watermelon and cantaloupe over here. And so far, it looks terrible. But let me tell you now, it's never too late. We do have rain here. I think this area stays too moist. The wind done blew the cardboard up. I'm not pleased with this. This is my first time growing over here. And it should be doing a whole lot better than this. But I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to let it continue on doing what it's doing. Just this area would have gave it plenty room to grow. We got one watermelon. That's fine. I'm good with that, you know. But yeah, we should have more than that. We got another one there. Another one here. That's 3. I got a cantaloupe male. I don't know what that is way over there. Okay. Looking all like it's deformed. But we're not going to give up on it. We're going to let it stay. I'm not going to rip it out. And I am going to find somewhere else to grow some watermelon. Well, I have another area with watermelon. So I'm glad I didn't tear that out because it's growing. It worked well. Over here is where I had my watermelon before, and Lord, it just grew all over the place. So I don't know, y'all. I have to think about it. Am I gonna do it again and only plant 1 or 2 seeds? We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. That watermelon over there, back there, right there, really should be enough. Boy, it's so nice to have some nice watermelon, a great big watermelon. And so far I haven't done that good, but that don't mean throw in the towel, baby, because y'all know me. Drop that seed, drop the seed, drop that seed. All right, y'all. Let me get in the house. We are still going to harvest the corn.
Snatch them all out.
Yep. All right, y'all. So we made it out. Instead of us just harvesting the beans off individually, we're just gonna just pull the whole plant and we're gonna just go for it, okay? Because it's late. It's like 7:45 probably at night, and I'm about right.
7:30.
About it's 7:30. Okay, so we're gonna go for it. I brought some fertilizer out. We have some seeds, corn, green beans. Y'all, we getting ready to get busy.
It was a bad corn year.
Sometimes you do good and sometimes you don't. We know where this is going.
Ants opened up and those ants came out of one of them.
Ants came out.
Well, this doesn't look bad.
I thought you was pulling them out. Oh, you was or trying to? Oh, you don't have.
I think that might be
They've been on too long.
Here you go, sweetie. You need to put a dry enough thing. Got a little worm on the top of it.
Okay.
That seems better, but
Is it dried out?
starting to.
Wait,
Yeah.
waited too long to harvest.
Yeah. It's got a little juicy, yeah. Yeah.
You could cut them if
Yeah, some of them are starting to dry out. Yeah, some of them are. See what happens with that.
not moist.
Not bad.
It's too dry. They look good, but they dry. They look good, but they dry. We waited too long to harvest them, but we're getting ready to drop some more seeds. We still have a long growing season, enough time to grow corn. So we're gonna do it again.
That's the ants.
Huh?
Bunch of ants.
You ain't got no ants on you, do you?
No, they're in the dirt on that plant, but I'm good. Just gonna get started from scratch, baby.
So just go ahead. Yeah. And then we'll just make sure we plant the corn pretty close. And this one did get fully developed all the way around. It looks good, but like I said, better the next time around. Don't have to, but I'm gonna hit the ground.
Alright. I'll get some of this okra off and then I'll do this too. I guess everybody knows what happens when you leave town for a few days and that okra growing. I guess everybody knows what happens when you leave town for a few days and you have okra growing. Shoot. Going somewhere.
Go ahead and pull the
Think you got
carrot.
them seeds are mature enough? Or?
I hope so. Okay, this is what it looks like. The carrots flower. It's supposed to turn into seed. Y'all see it pretty good? Let me know if it's time, because I went on ahead and pull it. This is the bottom of it. Huh?
Mosquitoes already starting to come out.
What's coming out?
Mosquitoes.
The mosquito?
They're black and white.
Oh, that ain't good. We just got to.
Man,
Huh? Got that wet now.
Yeah. Still doing on my hand, then on my arm. All right. It doesn't keep working. Let me get rid of some of this.
It's another one. The white fibers. Oh yeah, it is hot. Baby's over there getting ate up by mosquitoes. We're getting ready to drop, or baby's getting ready to drop the seed in for the corn and the green beans. I got sweat rolling in my eyes. What you got going on?
Green beans.
All right, y'all. When we get ready to stop the green beans, get ready to drop the seed. Like I said, we just got home from got home from out of town. So we're out here working. We're dropping seeds. We're doing our July succession planting right here. You don't have what?
Beans.
Oh, well, I could take care of that.
I'm getting corn.
Okay. Well, you, baby, gonna drop them seeds.
The seeds had to stick out my chest. That's what I'm trying to do.
You want me to get the tool, the level it?
That's not too bad right here.
Okay.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Right.
So that's your corn.
Yeah, I was going to do this whole thing in corn then. You want some more beans or you want this whole thing in corn?
No, we can do all that in corn. If we got plenty of areas to do green beans on the end.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Now we have planted the corn. Pretty much have to cover them up. You already seen us amend the soil. We have plenty of worms in here, so that would not be the case. So where you see the holes is where the corn is. So just kind of go over it. Okay, y'all, we're going to go ahead and finish with the green beans. Y'all done already seen hubby do the green beans and the okra. And we're going to call it a night. We did not plant any green beans. If we plant any green beans, it would be over here in one of these beds on the edge somewhere. But we got plenty of room to plant them. But right now, this is going to be all corn. And we have 3 peppers here. We have no idea what that pepper is. We don't know what that plant is. The flowers and the okra. That is what's going on in this bed. If you have not dropped any seeds, drop you some more seeds. This is really like succession planting. You know, have your food continue on growing, and that is what we are doing. Something didn't turn out right, don't beat yourself up about it, baby. Just drop some more seeds. We see you all in the next video. Baby's over there getting ate up by
Huh? I was sitting at.
What was you sitting in?
All these little fellas on the bucket and sitting there. I don't know how these little fellas came from. I was just sitting there and I was sitting there and out there.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
It didn't come off of me. That's I'm looking on me. Make sure.
I don't know what that is. But baby love his bucket. But we have 3 kneeler chairs to sit on. We should not be sitting on no bucket.
I was lazy.
We see you all in the next video.
Have a good evening.